Welcome back guys to another video, and today I'm going to be talking about animal adaptations. So I'm going to be speaking about 4 different animals. The first one is the binturong, also known as the bear cat. The binturong is found in South and Southeast Asia, and it is a vulnerable species for conservation. Vulnerable species are a type of species where they aren't high priority, but they are a priority in the future, and their numbers are still decreasing. So binturongs have a few adaptations to live in the forests of Southeast Asia and South Asia. The first one is their prehensile tail. A prehensile tail is usually found in monkeys and things, which they use to hang on to things and grab things. So it helps with balance, like most animals, but they also use it up in the trees to hold on to branches to help them move quickly and without falling from the canopy. So they also, around their tail, have a scent gland. The scent gland is used to attract mates or tell other binturongs that they are there. This scent gland, weirdly enough, smells like buttered popcorn, which is weird. And they also are omnivores. Omnivores are animals that eat meat and vegetables and fruits. So they usually prey on small animals and they eat fruit, just like us. They have good visibility during the day and night, so they don't fall out of the trees. And they have a physical defense, which when they are threatened, they will either spit or use their scent to scare off the predators. They also have very, very sharp teeth. So they also have very sharp claws to help them climb up and down trees whenever they want. Their ankles can also turn 180 degrees, but so they can climb down the trees head first. So let's move on to the next animal, which is the caracal. The caracal is on the conservation status list as least concerned and is usually found in Africa, Central Asia and northwestern India. The caracal has many different adaptations, and it's found usually in arid places where there's not much water. So they have a special adaptation, which means they can survive on little water and obtain necessary fluids from prey and inhabit dry savannas and deserts. So it means they can literally be wherever they want and survive on little water, unlike us. They are silent stalkers, which means their feet have very thick and stiff hairs, which allow them to walk silently on hot, sandy and rocky grounds, making them silent for anything, so they're a great ambush predator. They have very special ears, which have 20 muscles in each ear, and they are used to hear very far distances and find prey much easier. The caracal can leap very far. It has very strong, long muscles in the hind legs, allowing them to jump over 3 meters. That's about 10 feet. The caracal are known to be elusive and territorial to other animals and themselves. So caracals own their own territory, and if another male caracal comes into that land, they will fight to keep it. They have a very powerful bite, which with a strong jaw muscle, and it means they can roughly bite about 3 times more powerful than a human, which you wouldn't want to be on the other end of that now, would you? They are carnivores, which means they hunt animals and their usual prey consists of rodents, birds, to snakes, and even small gazelles. So the next animal is the aye-aye. So the aye-aye lives in Madagascar and is related to lemurs. The aye-aye's conservation status is endangered, which is a very big problem. Most of the animals on Madagascar are endangered and can only be found on Madagascar. For example, the ring-tailed lemurs. The aye-aye has many different adaptations to make it live in Madagascar. One of them is they have a very long middle finger. This middle finger is able to tap on wood to find hollow areas, so it can then poke the finger through the wood and hook larvae. So this animal is kind of an insectivore animal. The aye-aye also has teeth like a rodent, so it has a sharp incisor that never stops growing, which are used to gnaw through thick wood and bark to reach the grubs. The aye-aye is nocturnal, which means they are awake during the night, so they have very good eyesight for the night. The aye-aye also has very long ears, so it can be able to hear bugs moving around inside the tree. They are very magnificent creatures, and if you ever get to see one, it's a very lovely experience. But they are a bit creepy, as you can see in the image here. The aye-aye is a dark-coated animal with chorus fur for camouflaging in the trees at night, because they will have a few predators that will more than likely like an aye-aye snack. The aye-aye's foraging niches is in the abundance of woodpeckers in Madagascar. The aye-aye evolved to fill the niche of targeting wood-boring larvae using its middle finger to scoop out the food from coconuts and other tough nuts as well. So actually, it's kind of an omnivore as well, because it eats insects and bugs, but then it also eats coconuts and nuts, which is veg, pretty much. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed these few facts of the binturong, the caracal and the aye-aye. I'll hopefully be doing more of this in the future. So comment down below if you want me to do any more animal adaptations with other animals. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I promise to see you next time.